Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to look at how you can log into your account. If you have already created your Facebook account and you don't know how you can log into your account, then you can watch this video to learn how you can do so. But before that, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and also turn on the notifications. This way, you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. To get started, firstly, open up a browser, then in the search bar, type in facebook.com. As soon as you do that, you can see an interface similar to this. Now you must type in your email address or your phone number that you used while creating your account. After that, type in your password. You can click on this eye icon to reveal your password. But if you don't remember your password, then you can click on this forget password option, and then you will be able to reset your password and also create a new password. After you're done, hit login. And you have been logged into your Facebook account. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did like this video, then give us a thumbs up and we will be soon back with more content similar to this. Thank you for watching.